Guess where we are? We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're gonna give you a room tour because we're also with our famous people, Grandma and Granddad. Yes, we're with our grandparents today. We're at Myrtle Beach at the, you cannot see me, at the something resorts. I will ask my mother and she'll do a better job at this. Okay, so this is a room. It's a small room. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is, hold on. This is the little entryway. There are 2 rooms. We have room B. Let's ignore the mess over there. So here is our little mini fridge. It is so dark in here. I don't know why it's so dark. Okay, turn the lights on, please. Here's our bathroom. Hi. Ignore the mess, please. We literally just got here like 2 hours ago. Here's the bathroom. Here. Toilet. Okay. So now we are going to go to the other thing. This is the kitchen. I didn't mean to. That's the kitchen. Take it. And walk. There you go. And here's the dining room. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Balcony. This is our amazing balcony. You okay? I just tripped over the thing. I'm fine. So this is the beautiful balcony. Earlier they were what a view, right? I don't know. Oh, I didn't mean to point it at the people at the pool. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. Anyway, this is the beautiful balcony. Isn't it so pretty? Yes. Go bring down the camera. Sorry. I can't see. But, it's very beautiful. I can see. About the cup. So, we'll show you later in the video, but there's this, like, little arcade area thing, and there's this Stanley Cup that I wanted. Yes. And our mom gave us $4, well, $5 to go and try, because it cost $1. So we went and tried, and Alora tried. We have war with the Stanley Cup. No, I'm going to get that cup. It's mine. It's mine. But she almost got it in the thing, because you had to like drop the thingy in there, and she almost got it, except it wouldn't press down hard enough. So yeah, we're gonna go back later, either tomorrow or today. Hold on. Okay. Just let her know. Yeah. I'll do a little bit.
Did you let her know you were walking through?
No, we haven't gotten there.
I'm tired. The girls are showing you around. You tell them where we are?
No, I couldn't remember. I said I would ask you. You do a better job.
Brookgreen Resort.
We're at the Brookgreen Resort.
In Myrtle Beach.
In Myrtle Beach.
Grandma doesn't want to be seen right now, so.
Well, that was our horribly awkward room tour. I hope you enjoyed it and didn't scream. Beautiful view.
We'll the thing later. So
pray for me to win the Stanley Cup because I'm gonna win it.
Back here, it's been a few years. I didn't say anything earlier. I've been so tired. But we're hanging out for the week. And here are the girls and Grandma. We're taking a break. Stretch break. Yes. Here's the ocean again. I don't know if you remember the vlog from that when we got on the Sky Wheel in a past Myrtle Beach vlog. It's hot and sunny out here. Hey you all, it is, what's today, Thursday, and we're still in Myrtle Beach. As I said, we're in Brookgreen Gardens, and it's a lot to see. Let me turn you around. Did you look above you? Aren't they pretty?
This looks like a century.
It does. Oh wow, so pretty.
Just like me.
Yes, just like you, baby. But you're more beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pool time. Laura's getting in. There's Dad and Augustine. They're over there. And then on this side is here. Go all around there. That's the lazy river. So we're gonna get in. I don't know if I'll get back on here. I may, but we're gonna go have some fun.